Takeuchi TB280FR. The Takeuchi Promise is, when compared to its predecessor, more power, greater dig depth and reach, as well as higher tractive forces than the model it supersedes. Recently, reviewer Evarn Covich revved up its diesel engine and put its almost 52 kilowatts of gross power to work to see if the Takeuchi TB280FR lived up to its promise. Evarn was especially keen to see how well the Takeuchi moved, especially its side-shifting boom system. Sit back and watch as Evarn takes the Takeuchi to task.
Sticking a bit of a hole here, try and get underneath, get some harder dirt. See what she goes like once she gets in the hard stuff. At the moment she's digging pretty quickly and seems like a smooth machine to operate. Cutting through the soft stuff very easy. Okay. Get into some hard stuff down here. Yeah. Not bad. Pretty solid clay. Not hard to fill up the bucket. Well, today we've been looking at the Takeuchi TB280FR. Not a bad little machine. Operates well, it's nice and smooth, seems to have a bit of power. Digs the dirt fairly well, blades it around fairly nicely too. So couldn't ask for too much more out of an excavator.